You're clear.
Not yet, sir. He's got a pistol out.
Who's up?
He's in the other parking lot, right over there. He's dragging right there. Around, taking the shit out of it, dude.
Where's he at?
He's got a pistol. Right ahead. Right ahead.
2-3. He's gonna have a weapon. Can I get another unit to show up?
How are you? Where's you at?
At the Moonshine Deck parking lot across the street on the other side. The one in the black? Hey, come here! Hey, he's running, he's running. Hey! Hey, don't fucking move! Get down! Don't move! Don't, hey! Shots fired, shots fired! He's running west, on West Sunny. Hey! Stop running! Stop running! Hey, stop running! Stop running! Hey! Get down! Get down! Don't fucking move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move!
I got you. Back up with the gun. Back up with the gun.
He dropped it somewhere over there.
All right, we got you, bro.
Hey, he dropped the gun somewhere over there by the Moonshine Deck parking lot.
I'm gonna be at 1300. 16, show me a lot.
I located the weapon already. Anybody got some gloves or a bag?